Hi there, I'm Ian Hughes. I'm Head of Sales for Teleco in the UK, and what you're seeing here today is the first installation of the Teleco Ultra Comfort 6000 air conditioner, which is a completely new air conditioner for the industry. It fits inside the vehicle in the dashboard, and also partly you can see inside the bumpers of the vehicle here. So here what you can see is the compressor, which gives you the cooling efficiency. Around the other side is the condenser. The rest of the unit fits inside the vehicle, and what it's been specifically designed for is to be able to be used on things like lifting roofs. If you have a lifting roof on a vehicle, you can't use a traditional type of air conditioner, so you have to go to some kind of solution like this. Currently, Teleco is the only company on the market that made this kind of solution, and Camper UK is the first people in the UK to have made the installation here in the UK.